Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to shed some extra pounds while still enjoying a treat, then today's topic is just for you. In this video, we're delving into the lesser known facts about dark chocolate and how it can aid in your weight loss journey. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content on health and nutrition. Unknown facts about dark chocolate. Cocoa content matters. Dark chocolate with higher cocoa content is better for weight loss. Opt for varieties with at least 70% cocoa, as they contain more antioxidants and less sugar. Appetite suppression. Dark chocolate can help control your appetite. It contains stearic acid, which promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing the urge to overeat. Metabolism boost. The compounds in dark chocolate can enhance your metabolism, aiding in the burning of calories. How to intake dark chocolate for weight loss. Portion control. Stick to small portions. A square or two is usually enough to satisfy your cravings. Timing matters. Consume dark chocolate as a mid-morning or afternoon snack. This can help prevent overindulging during main meals. Incorporate into recipes. Get creative by adding dark chocolate to yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal. It adds flavor without the guilt. Health benefits of dark chocolate. Heart health. Dark chocolate can improve heart health by reducing the risk of heart disease. It helps lower blood pressure and improves blood flow. Antioxidant power. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals and protect your cells. Mood enhancement. It can boost your mood and reduce stress by triggering the release of endorphins. Skin protection. The flavonoids in dark chocolate can protect your skin from UV damage. Weight loss and dark chocolate. Combining these health benefits with a balanced diet and regular exercise can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, moderation is key, and indulging in dark chocolate as a treat can be part of a successful weight loss strategy. So, there you have it. Dark chocolate isn't just a guilty pleasure, it can be a part of your weight loss journey. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on achieving a healthier and happier you. Thanks for watching.